Hey love, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. I forgot to do an intro, forgive me, but we'll make do with this. This is a simple hijab style, so I hope you do enjoy, and please ignore the voice in the background, I'm sorry. But we're going to frame this hijab around my face and pin it close to my ear. Now you have to make sure that when you pin close to your ear so it holds properly. Once I'm done with that, yeah, I'm gonna throw the rest of the hijab behind my back and bring it back to the front. That way I have some loose parts. Exactly. Once you're done, we're gonna frame this tightly around our face. Make sure it stays in place and pin it, like pin the two sides together. That way it holds properly. Also make sure that it hits down the scarf, that way it holds better. Be careful when pinning it though so you don't hurt yourself. I'm gonna adjust so there are no loose parts around my face. We want it as tight as possible. And then we're gonna open this, the leftover side of the hijab, pick the down part and frame it across our face. You know, usually you can pick the top part if you want, but I feel like if you pick the down part, it gives you more flowy kind of nature. I don't know. I love my smile over here. Okay, now we're gonna pin this down real tight. Also remember to pin it close to your underscarf, that way it holds proper. Adjust this folds. You can you know, work around this and find a way. You can play around it, but that's basically it. Super short, super simple. I hope you do enjoy this video. And no, adjust your shirt. If you do enjoy this video, please give it a like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Hoochie.